How you can add additional cardholder to your ANZ credit card account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to add additional cardholder to your ANZ credit card account. For that, you have to go and open up a browser. You can also do this with the help of an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. On the search box, type in the link that is www.anz.com.au/support/ manage your card. That's going to take you to their official page. Right on this page, what you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and you can see this link as add an additional card holder. Go ahead and press that, and here you've been instructed on how you can add it. First of all, you have to log in. Then you need to select the credit card where you actually want to add an additional card holder. Then you need to select add an additional card holder from the account section. Then you just follow the prompt and you'll be able to successfully add an additional card holder into your ANZ credit card account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.